One of the unique ways to organize your photos in Mylio Photos is to create an event. Events can be created based on a date or by the folder where that media is located. Let me show you how to create one based on a date. I have these beautiful pictures that I captured at a flower farm, and I want to add these as an event. So I'm going to simply right-click on one of these images, and I want to go down to Add to, New Event. It automatically detected the timestamp from that one image, but I want it to pick up every photo from that day. So instead, I'm going to click on the ellipsis and choose All Day. And that's going to remove the timestamp and pick all of the images from that day. Click Save, and you can go ahead and enter an event name. We're going to enter Flower Fields and hit Return on the keyboard or click the Save button, and now we've created our event. Next time we go over to our calendar view, and into 2021, you'll see we have a Flower Fields event. We can easily click on that event to see all of the photos from that particular day. Creating an event is a great way to find special images of memorable moments in your life.